have been on all sorts of water coasters, roller coasters, or water slides. My favorite kind of ride was always the water rides that go up and straight down into the water, or water slides. After many years of riding these rides and enjoying them, I've become curious about how well water coasters actually work. By the end of this speech, you will know the three types of technology used in making a water coaster work. According to Wonderopolis.com, in water coasters, they use three different types of technology. Some are powered by high-speed conveyor belts, others use water jets to force the raft along its path. The newest water coasters feature linear induction motors. Water coasters begin with a trip up a tall hill before you shoot down. Pulling the raft or car up this hill is a high-speed conveyor belt. According to Samore.net in How Do Conveyor Belts Work, a conveyor belt works by using its two motorized pulleys that loop over a long stretch of thick, durable material. When motors and the pulleys operate at the same speed and spin in the same direction, the belt moves between the two. The beginning of the coaster is the most important part because the car or raft has to have enough built-up potential energy, which it gains going up the hill, to then shoot down the rest of the coaster. During the middle of the ride, many coasters have built-in water jets that force the raft to go on a certain direction. These water jets also make sure the raft stays afloat. And according to Tom Harris and How Water Slides Work, in order to zip down the slide, you need a constant stream of water to reduce the friction between you and the fiberglass surface. The same thing applies when water coaster jets are needed to supply to the whole coaster to allow the maximum speed for the raft. Another use of water jets is to add another fun element with sprinklers, splashes, and surprises. Water jets are a key factor to the water coaster working smoothly because without the raft, it would have too much friction against the surface. The last most essential part of a water coaster are the linear induction motors, which are used throughout the coaster, especially after drops. Linear induction motors use magnetic fields to either speed up or slow down a cart or raft. Some coasters use these motors at the end of drops in order to slow a cart down and stop the ride, or sometimes after a big drop when the cart needs to go back up again. Engineers put in linear induction motors to get the car enough speed to make it back up the hill. Conveyor belts, water jets, and linear induction motors are the three most important things when looking at how water coasters work. Next time you ride a water coaster, think about how you are going this speed, or how did I make it back up that big hill? Now we know how water coasters work.